So, what is? Let me see. What is up? Y'all already know what it is. It's your boy Marco coming back again with another one. Into another one. You heard it? Oh, fried. But y'all already know what it is. It's your boy Marco coming back again with another one. And today we about to be checking out Roast Me. That boy Kraig Smith, season 3 compilation. Y'all know that boy Kraig be bringing that heat. I had to say he probably the top 3 roaster out of all of them. I don't know. Comment down below who y'all think is the top. Give me y'all top 3 roasters on there. Give me y'all top 3. Give me y'all bottom 3 roasters too. But without further ado, let's go ahead and check it out. Oh, real quick, I'll probably cut this video into 2 parts. This video about 24 minutes and so it'll probably be 2 parts of this. So stay on the lookout for part 2. But let's go ahead and check it out.
Doughboy got a Jamaican patty in that shooting sleeve.
Hey, Doughboy got a body magic on his arm.
Hey, Doughboy takes shots of insulin at the club. Hey, you shit candy still in the wrapper, nigga. Yeah, he got Doughboy's socks soggy, nigga. Hey. And they got titty moisture on his stomach.
So here you smoke.
Nigga, Doughboy got gum disease.
This nigga Kraig was born a stepfather.
I was ready for Nigga Red look like an Arctic Chucky. That nigga Jamar look syndromic. That nigga like he take baths with his mouth open.
That
nigga hair about to cough.
You say what?
He said your hair about to cough.
Nigga, shut your bitch on the grill built ass up.
Who's out of the world? I tell by CP bottom lip that his tongue is probably dead. That nigga T Murph arm so little he can only do ankle sock puppets.
Hey,
So his mouth look like he only eat raw meat.
Try again.
They found pig blood in Doughboy's drug test. Doughboy built like a Cali King sausage, nigga.
Never heard of that.
Doughboy built like he didn't show up to his dad's funeral over a Hot Pocket. Lumpy built like his microwave dirty. Russell looked like a hairless condor. Hey, Tony can use a straw on his side teeth.
That nigga Tony can eat up, nigga.
Nate built like he make his own beef jerky.
I love it. I love it.
Back at Doughboy's knees get musty. That nigga Chico look like he got real dirt on his toothbrush.
He do his ass.
I feel like Chico been bit by a pig before.
Hold his leg. Hold his leg.
Hey, Doughboy's back arms float in the bathtub. Hey, Chico built like a hip hop mud bath. Chico looked like a pig feet cook.
Oh no, I gotta get that ad disabled, dog. That ad blocker.
Step 2, go with your gut.
He's about to make me scared.
Hey, Chico built like a hip hop mud bath. Chico looked like a pig feet cook.
What my man look sad?
Salsa, nigga.
baby, get your chip.
And they got, got a Bible pocket on his pants.
Hey, we gonna switch to high seat.
That nigga Lewis built like a mosquito snout. That nigga built like an ostrich leg. That nigga Tony Baker is an animal weirdo, nigga. That nigga Tony Baker, he got a diary with a dog rape planned in it, nigga.
That nigga need to get detention too. That week. Oh, let me go.
The top of Doughboy belt stink.
Oh, my man said the top of his belt steak.
Doughboy built like he died once a day. Doughboy built like he eat in the shower. Tony's a weirdo. He looks dogs in the eyes while they urinate. You old frail nigga. I bet you probably can get raped by a seahorse, nigga.
Not the seahorse, though. Not the
You
seahorse.
look like you sleep with your head in the microwave, bro.
Not the microwave, though. Ooh! Wait, that flew over my That flew over my head. My man said, bro, hold on, wait. That flew over my head real quick. He said, Brody sleep in the microwave. My man with the face.
Oh, nigga, I bet you probably can get raped by a seahorse, nigga. Hey, you look like you sleep with your head in the microwave, bro.
That's funny.
Kraig look like an ex-con mechanic.
Hey, dogs don't trust Tony. When he walks them, they backpedal.
Craig look like Pitbull mixed with Fat Joe.
You weak, built, frail nigga. You look like you let other niggas name your kids.
You got what to say.
No, we gotta make that nigga monster. After my daddy's daddy.
Kraig built like he stayed with his mama and write his name on orange juice.
If a shark ate you, it'd have high blood pressure.
Raja Navarro says Kraig look like he's trying to start over after a divorce.
Your mama paid tithes with dick sucks, Roger. If Brandon Brody's jacket could speak, it would look at his face and say, twinsies.
Kev,
Yeah.
Nigga, Kev can't yawn without falling backwards, nigga.
He caught it between his
Nigga
toes.
Kev beat his wife after he drank too much root beer. They had to put an ACL on Kevin's neck so he could hold his head up. If Doughboy went on a hunger strike, my kids would grow up. Tony a weirdo, he do voiceovers through the door while his kids boo-boo.
We looking for Pablo.
I gotta kick it off with a Doughboy joke. I caught that nigga Doughboy putting an extra piece of bread on a Big Mac. That nigga David built like he swallowed skulls.
He built like he swallowed skulls, dog. You know what you gotta be to swallow a skull? Oh, God.
I know what he thinks. Nigger. Like he could build a soybean pipe bomb.
Trevor.
If I knock on Doughboy's refrigerator, a family of hams would answer.
Pussy dog, I'm happy for him.
Trev look like his nose bleed when he get frustrated.
You're pissing me off, man. Fucking bullshit. This is bullshit.
Bum ass Keenan over. Keenan look like he got fired for being musty. David looked like he could sit down on his back.
He got fired for being busty. He got fired for being busty. And my man's belly. He can sit on his back. Do you know what you have to look like to sit on your back?
Dope boy run out of breath when he sleepwalk.
On a scale of 1 to 10, Funky Buddha Premium Hard Seltzer is a
I need an ad
Funk
blocker.
1000.
They be messing up the monetization. Sometimes I be recording these videos. Do y'all know how many videos I recorded and I couldn't post because it said copyright infringement? Man, I'm be mad if I watch all of this and it ain't, man.
Hey, you know what, Kraig? He right there. David looked like he could sit down on his back. Dope boy run out of breath when he sleepwalk. Hey, you know what, Kraig? He right there. If David jogged with his shirt off, it'd sound like Walrus is playing hot hand. Only way Nate can sleep on a hammock is if they lay the blanket on the ground.
I get it.
During hippo mating season, they call. During hippo mating season, they caught Nate doing belly flops in the zoo swimming pool.
Brett look like a homeless pimp.
I ain't got nowhere to go, but I love these bitches.
Hey, dope. You ain't wearing your bra right now.
Kev can't get hoodies past his ears.
You gotta cut this space. You gotta cut
He's a greatness.
Kev knocked himself out trying to take off a turtleneck.
Get your head ass up. Come on, Kev.
You're fat.
Before every photo, dope boy say, extra cheese. Hey, dope boy. Drove an ice cream truck to this motherfucker. Super looked like John Cena really got her shit together. Looking like Tyler Perry pirate. Every Christmas, Sydney calling a bomb threat to a wig store. Yo, Tyler Perry pirate. Sydney. Every time you go wrong a bitch, you give him the plague.
Give him scurvy? Hey,
Sydney got a jewelry box full of hoop earrings. Sydney working on a hairline wig you can jump in the water with.
Hey, that's
Threw
sell
a whole
out though.
turkey in a food fight, nigga. A nigga Kyle planted a garden around a porta potty.
I don't even know what Kraig be saying, man.
Kraig got a bigger, better breakfast body, nigga. Let me get the man.
You built like a thief, nigga, like you've been hip tossed by Ross security, nigga.
Oh, Ross. I thought you said Ross.
I thought you said Rick Ross.
Kraig talking like he had a stroke.
Dope boy got a freezer full of Oreo whites.
Hey, man.
Fool look like he smoked cigarettes while he read the Bible.
Sosa, a.k.a. Zaddy.
Wasn't he already in the hot seat?
Nah, he wasn't in the hot seat.
At least you ain't on dick no more.
All the way from Los Angeles, a.k.a. Koreatown. Dumbfounded.
Oh, Yugen! Dope boy took a lunch break in the water during a swim lesson, nigga.
My man got up, he said, "Oh, you get no."
What? Hey, this how.
Doughboy put chocolate milk in a first aid kit. He fell asleep in the pool, only his back would get wet. Boo looks like he sell dead Christmas trees.
It'll fit in the house. You don't get your cantaloupe money, you get your help.
Kenny parents got married barefoot.
Hey, that's a good one. Hey, you gotta do something. You gotta.
Doughboy gotta wet his clothes to take them off. That guy gotta hire a construction company to build Cav's halo. Tim built like a 5-year-old Samoan. Jay's stomach get dirty when he shoot dice. I can tell by Kev's head that he got big dreams.
We had the 12
You gotta
minute
sit on
marker,
the battery
y'all.
to work on your car. Jay built like a Pac-Man ghost. That nigga lost a fight to a monkey on crutches. He ain't never seen himself in the bathroom mirror.
All right, I'm stopping right there. All right, remember I said it's gonna be part 2, so stay tuned for part 2. Just the video just a little too long, so I'm gonna cut it up a little bit for y'all. But y'all already know what it is. It's your boy Marco. Don't forget to hit that subscribe, hit that like, and comment down below what y'all want to see me react to. I'm trying out these reaction videos. Don't forget, part 2. I'll catch y'all on the next one. I'm out.